Hello friends, welcome to Unity 3D teacher tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to download the image from the URL. So from the internet, you can fetch any image and you can use in Unity either from server or from a web browser or from a photo library. So we are going to see how to do that. So first of all, let's create one script called image downloader. So this going to have one raw image. Okay, so let's create that variable called raw image public raw. So you need to have unity engine using unity engine dot ui public raw image equal to. So once it's loaded, drag and drop the raw image. This is going to fetch the image. Okay, so and then you need string URL, the URL which we are going to fetch the image. So let's get one sample image from the internet. Okay, this image have this URL have this image which we are going to use in Unity. Okay, so once everything set done, let's create scripting. So in order to fetch the image, you need to connect with unity engine dot networking. So I'm using unity engine dot networking. Okay, so we don't want update. Instead of that, we can use IE enumerator download image. So here we are going to use networking and fetch this using unity web request equal to request dot unity web request texture. Since it's an image, we are going to use texture dot get texture. The URL which we are going to fetch is URL. Okay, and then we are going to have yield return until the request is going to send. Okay, so web request. After that, if request is done, is success means unity web request dot result dot success. If this condition success, then we are going to process the image. So where the image is present is it's in request. Okay, so before that, let's create one texture 2D texture 2D texture and then download handler texture. Okay, dot get content, whatever the content is, request and then image dot texture. Okay, equal to texture. So we are storing that image in a raw image URL. That's it. Else we can do one more thing. If image is not downloaded, we can have some error here. Okay, so let's see how it's load. This image should come there. Okay, I forgot to call this function. It should be start coroutine since it's IM rated. Okay, click on play. Okay, so we can able to fetch this raw image from the internet. For example, if the URL is wrong, for example, we forget some line, some text, it should come in else. I'm correct, nothing will show. We'll test this also. See, this image is not error. At the time we want to print something, so I am putting one debug dot log error. It's error. Okay, save this. Hit play. See, image is not loaded, so it's showing the error. So make sure that the name of the URL should be correct. Then everything will work as per you are looking for. That's it, guys. If you think this video is very helpful for you, please subscribe us. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to Unity 3D teacher tutorial. In this